In 2026, BMW prepares to revive one of its most meaningful internal legends, the E-Series, not as a memory, but as a bold statement of the future. This launch is not about nostalgia alone, it is about evolution. A moment where BMW looks back at decades of engineering discipline and drives it forward into a new era defined by intelligence, efficiency, and emotion. The 2026 E-Series represents a fresh foundation. Designed on BMW's next-generation architecture, it introduces a cleaner, more purposeful design language. The silhouette is low and confident, with sharp character lines, a wider stance, and proportions that instantly communicate balance. Aerodynamics takes center stage, sculpted not just for beauty, but for efficiency and stability at speed. Every surface serves a purpose. Under the skin, the E-Series steps into the future with electrified power. Advanced electric drivetrains deliver instant torque, seamless acceleration, and near-silent performance, while maintaining the rear-wheel drive character BMW is known for. Select variants offer all-wheel drive for enhanced grip and control. Battery technology is lighter, denser, and faster charging, allowing extended driving range without sacrificing performance. Inside, the cabin reflects a new philosophy: minimal, intelligent, and driver-focused. A curved digital interface wraps toward the driver, blending instrumentation and infotainment into a single visual flow. Physical clutter is reduced, replaced by intuitive touch, voice, and gesture controls. Sustainable materials meet premium craftsmanship, proving that luxury and responsibility can coexist. Performance remains the soul of the E-Series. Precision steering, near-perfect weight distribution, adaptive suspension, and low center of gravity ensure that despite its advanced technology, the car still feels alive. This is not a machine that drives for you, it drives with you. The 2026 BMW E-Series is more than a launch. It is a rebirth of an idea, a promise that even in an electric future, the joy of driving will never fade. BMW doesn't just introduce a new car, it introduces the next chapter of a legacy written on the road. With the 2026 E-Series, BMW moves beyond design and power into something far deeper: the connection between car and driver. Part 2 of this story is not about what you see, but what you feel the moment the road begins to bend. BMW engineers approached this generation with a single mission: even in a digital and electric age, the car must still speak to the driver. The chassis of the new E-Series is engineered for balance. A rigid, lightweight structure forms the core, allowing suspension components to work with extreme precision. Adaptive dampers read the road in real time, adjusting firmness within milliseconds. In comfort mode, the ride feels calm and composed. Switch to Sport, and the car tightens instantly, responding like a coiled spring, ready to release energy. Steering is sharp, deliberate, and confidence-inspiring. BMW refined the steering ratio to deliver immediate response without nervousness. At high speeds, the wheel feels stable and planted. In corners, feedback flows naturally through the driver's hands, reminding you that control still matters. This is a car that encourages you to drive, not just sit back. Braking performance is equally purposeful. Regenerative braking blends seamlessly with mechanical brakes, allowing smooth deceleration or aggressive stopping when needed. Drivers can even adjust the braking feel, choosing between one-pedal driving or a more traditional experience. It's technology designed around preference, not compromise. Technology in the E-Series doesn't overwhelm, it supports. Advanced driver assistance systems act quietly in the background, enhancing safety without intruding on engagement. Lane guidance, adaptive cruise control, and predictive navigation work together to reduce fatigue on long journeys, while always leaving final authority in the driver's hands. Sound design replaces engine noise with emotion. Instead of artificial drama, BMW engineers tuned subtle acoustic feedback that rises with speed and acceleration, creating a sense of motion without distraction. It's futuristic, yet restrained, just like the car itself. The E-Series proves that the future doesn't erase driving passion. As the 2026 BMW E-Series moves from concept to reality, its true character reveals itself not in specifications, but in experience. This generation is where BMW proves that innovation does not have to come at the cost of emotion. Every system, every calculation, every line of code is built around one timeless idea: the driver must always feel connected. At the heart of the E-Series is a newly developed chassis engineered for harmony. The battery placement is low and centralized, creating a near-perfect center of gravity. This allows the car to feel planted even before the first corner arrives. Weight distribution is carefully managed, so the car rotates naturally, responding to steering inputs with precision rather than force. The result is confidence, the kind that invites you to push just a little further. The BMW E-Series represents a bold evolution of BMW's engineering philosophy, blending electric intelligence with the brand's unmistakable driving soul. Designed as a next-generation luxury performance lineup, the E-Series is built on an advanced modular electric architecture that supports multiple body styles while maintaining perfect weight, balance, and structural rigidity. Every surface, every line, and every component exists to serve performance, efficiency, and emotion. At its core, the BMW E-Series is powered by heat-and-see lithium battery technology, paired with next-gen electric motors. These motors deliver instant torque, allowing explosive acceleration while remaining whisper-quiet in urban driving. Depending on the variant, power output ranges from refined daily performance to high-performance M-tuned figures, capable of pushing the E-Series from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds. Intelligent all-wheel drive continuously adapts torque distribution, ensuring maximum grip and stability in all driving conditions. Battery efficiency is a defining strength of the E-Series. An advanced thermal management system maintains optimal temperature for both performance and longevity, while ultra-fast charging capability allows significant range recovery in minutes rather than hours. Regenerative braking is finely tuned, seamlessly converting braking energy back into usable power without compromising driving feel. Real-world range is designed to exceed expectations, making long-distance travel effortless and stress-free. Inside, the BMW E-Series redefines digital luxury. A curved panoramic display stretches across the dashboard, integrating driver information, navigation, and infotainment into one fluid interface. BMW's latest operating system uses AI-based learning to adapt to driver habits, suggesting routes, climate settings, and drive modes automatically. Voice control is natural and responsive, allowing the driver to command the vehicle without distraction. Ambient lighting, premium materials, and precision craftsmanship create an interior that feels both futuristic and deeply premium. Driving dynamics remain unmistakably BMW: adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering,